Hello, this is John from Currencies, and this is our 337th review. And this week, looking at the 240 and the 15-minute charts on the euro dollar. I'm using the 240 as our validation of trend, and trading on the 15-minute time period. Between October 31st and November 29th, we had on the 15-minute time frames 46 long trades, 46 short trades. Consequently, on the 28th or 9th of October, we had a black and a reversal dot, which I will show right now. Reversal and a black dot happening and validating around the 30th of October at around the 142 mark in this area here, and subsequently we had a reversal and a black that went up, was a winner, but not very well. And then we had 1, 2, 3, and now 4 shorts in a row, going all the way down to about 132. So about 1,000 points. Nice downtrend. And why I bring this up is that we are in a downtrend, and we have been since October 30th. So now, knowing that we had 46 long trades and 46 short trades on the 15-minute time period, the long trades had a winning percentage of 45%. We had 25 losers, 21 winners, for a total of 46 trades, and a plus 145 pips for the period of October 31st through the 29th. Now, on the short side of the 15-minute period, we had another 46 total trades. We had 32 winners, 14 losers, for a 70% winning percentage and a plus 669 total pips, almost 5 times more pips out of being short the market. So we started out at the 31st with a short. Obviously that would have been a good trade. Down here, gray dot, blue dot, both losers. What I'm trying to say to you guys, that when we have the higher trend have validated, that it's a pretty good 70%, pretty good, that your trades in that direction are going to be winners. So why sit there and have to beat your head against the wall with long trades? And at one point on the long side, we had 8 losers in a row. That's pretty taxing mentally for any trader, experienced or novice. So when we're looking at not only the 15-minute time frames, we should be looking at other time frames, obviously higher time frames, with regards to how to take these trades. When we talk about what, and people ask me this all the time, what signals I look at, what time frames I look at, what will help me to be a better trader. Well, this is a perfect example of trading with the trend, and not going obviously with or against the trend on the higher time frames. So if we see any one of these shorts, red dots, and most of them were red dots. On the long side, most were black. I think we only had 2 blues and or grays. There was, I think, 2 or 3 breakouts to the long side. That total of 3 didn't yield us very many pips. But you see, and these were a couple of blues right in this area here, But again, red, breakout, red, another red going down. So all of these trades, okay, to the short side, 70% of them are winners. Here's one long breakout that was a winner. But, why sit there and trade? If we took out 46 trades, we only shorted ourselves 145 pips. To me, taking out the 46 trades was less heartache, less stress, less management, than taking the other 46 trades, which yielded us 5 times the amount of pips. So please, not only and don't always sit there and look at one particular pair or one particular time frame. Please understand that in order to increase your probability, it's best to look at other time frames, see what's working. Obviously, in this scenario here, for the past month in a row, we've been short, and pretty much 70% of those trades have been winners. So again, trend is our friend, and please try to look at other time frames. Just do not have tunnel vision on one particular time frame. Look to other time frames, see what's going on, and then plan accordingly and trade accordingly with those trends in place. Okay, this was John from Currencies. I think this kind of was eye-opening. I hope it was. It was for me. Exact amount of trades, both long and short, which we don't always get that, but that was quite interesting. 145 pips on longs, 669 on short. That's pretty telling. Okay, you guys have a good week, and we'll see you next week. Thank you. Have a good day.